Alright guys, let's solve this question quickly. Now, looking at this question, you're seeing that 4 can be written in the form of x plus 1, okay, or raised to the power 2, or raised to the power 2, and this is equal to 9, which can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. Now recall that we have a law. The law is called the product law or the power law, where you have that a raised to the power m n is equal to a raised to the power m or raised to the power n. So just what we've just done here, expressing 4 as 2 and then raising it to the power of 2. From here, we can take this and take this. So we're left with that x plus 1 all squared is equal to. Now recall that if you're taking the square root of a number, for example 9, if you're taking the square root of a number 9, for example, it's going to be positive or negative 3. Okay, so hence we are going to create two equations from here by expanding this and equating it to positive, and then we equate it to negative 3. So positive is the first one we do, so equate to positive first, and then x times 2, x raised to the power 2 is what we have first, plus this times this is x times 2 is 2x plus 1 squared is 1. And then crossing this over will make this x squared plus 2x minus 2 to be equal to 0. Solving this with the quadratic formula, you have that this is b, so we have that minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4ac is minus this times minus this, which is plus 8. Okay, all over 2 times 1 is 2, and this is equal to x. Now simplifying this further, I have that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, this is 12, so root 12 all over 2. Now let's simplify root 12. Root 12, you know, root 12 can be written to be equal to root of 4 times root of 3, and root of 4 is 2, so 2 times root of 3. So we're going to invariably have this to be equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. From here, you can see that 2 is going to take 2 on this side and this side. So they have that x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3. And these are two answers for x, and these are the two first answers. Now let's look at the next set of answers, and that will take us back to our first equation. Okay, because remember that we say we are going to equate x, we're going to equate it to the positive 3, and let's equate this to negative 3. So we have that x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 3. From here, we have that x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now from here again, we use the quadratic formula to simplify. So we can say that minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4ac is 4 times 4, which is 16, all over 2a, which is 2, is equal to x. Invariably, it means that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 12 negative all over 2. Now again, we have root 12, and we've concluded from the previous answer that root 12 is 2 root 3. But recall that we're going to have root of negative 12 to be root of negative 12 will be equal to root of 12 times root of negative 1. So root of 12 is already 2 root 3 rather. So we can have minus 2 plus or minus, so 2 root 3. Now recall that root of negative 1 is written as I, so we can just put it as I instead of writing it as root of negative 1 and divide everything by 2. Now this becomes invariably equal to 2 can take 2 on both sides, so that I have minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. Now this is the next set of values for x in this equation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.